Ever struggled with damp clothes taking forever to dry, leaving behind that unpleasant musty smell? What if I told you there's a game-changing solution that dries your laundry faster while keeping your home fresh and humidity-free? Welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into the best dehumidifiers for drying clothes, perfect for tackling moisture and speeding up drying time. If you're tired of waiting hours for laundry to dry, stick around. And don't forget to check the links in the description to grab the perfect dehumidifier for your needs. The number 5 product on our list is PLUSCENT Dehumidifier. Did you know that drying clothes indoors can increase humidity levels by up to 30%? That trapped moisture leads to musty smells, damp walls, and even mold growth. But what if you could dry your laundry faster and fresher while keeping your home dry and comfortable? Enter the PLUSCENT Dehumidifier, a compact powerhouse that removes up to 34 ahs of moisture daily, making it one of the best dehumidifiers for drying clothes. With its efficient mode, it rapidly pulls moisture from the air, helping your laundry dry much faster without the damp, lingering smell. But that's not all. The sleep mode ensures whisper-quiet operation, perfect for bedrooms. Plus, the auto shut-off and continuous drainage make maintenance effortless. Is it the perfect dehumidifier for you? Some users love its quiet efficiency, while others wish for a larger tank. Stick around as we dive into real customer reviews to help you decide. At number 4 is VEAGASO Dehumidifier. Imagine this. You hang your freshly washed clothes indoors, hoping they'll dry quickly, but instead they stay damp for hours, even days. The air feels sticky, musty odors start creeping in, and you're left frustrated. What if there was a faster, more efficient way to dry your laundry indoors? Meet the VEAGASO Dehumidifier, a game-changer for drying clothes and eliminating excess moisture. With 3 smart modes, including a dedicated dry mode, your clothes will dry faster while keeping humidity in check. The intelligent touchscreen makes adjusting settings effortless, and with 2 drainage options, maintenance is a breeze. It's powerful yet whisper-quiet, perfect for bedrooms, laundry rooms, and basements. While most users love its efficiency, some mention that the tank could be larger. So, is this the best dehumidifier for drying clothes? Let's dive into its real pros and cons to find out. The third one on our list is KNKA Dehumidifier. Stepping into a dry, fresh space after a long day feels like pure comfort. No more damp smells, no more waiting forever for clothes to dry, just clean, breathable air. The KNKA Dehumidifier makes that possible, pulling in up to 40 ahs of excess moisture per day to keep humidity under control. Perfect for drying clothes indoors, it speeds up the process while preventing musty odors. The whisper-quiet sleep mode ensures peaceful nights, and the 7-color LED night lights add a modern touch. Its auto shut-off function gives peace of mind, making it effortless to use. While many love its efficiency and design, some wish it covered larger areas faster. So, should this be your next dehumidifier? Let's take a closer look at what makes it stand out, and if it's the right fit for your home. On number 2 is Midea Dehumidifier. Humidity ruins more than just comfort. It affects your home, your clothes, and even your health. That's why a powerful dehumidifier isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity. Enter the Midea 50-pint Dehumidifier, a high-performance unit designed to tackle excess moisture in spaces up to 4,500 sq feet. For those struggling with slow-drying clothes indoors, this built-in pump dehumidifier is a game-changer. No more musty odors, damp laundry, or condensation issues. It even comes Wi-Fi enabled, allowing you to adjust settings remotely via the Smart Home app. The Energy Star certification keeps electricity bills in check, while the 47 dBA ultra-quiet operation ensures it won't disrupt daily life. However, some users found the water tank smaller than expected, requiring frequent emptying if not using the continuous drainage option. So, is this the best dehumidifier for drying clothes in large spaces? Let's break it down and see if it's the right fit for you. Now, moving to the last one is Waykar Dehumidifier. Damp clothes taking forever to dry? That musty smell in your home just won't go away? The Waykar Dehumidifier is here to change that. Designed for spaces up to 5,000 CUPF, this powerhouse removes up to 80 pints of moisture per day, making it one of the best dehumidifiers for drying clothes and keeping your home fresh. With its intelligent touch control, you set your ideal humidity, and it does the rest, smartly adjusting to maintain comfort. The Energy Star certification means powerful performance without skyrocketing energy bills. Plus, the oscillating fan speeds up drying while the quiet operation ensures peaceful nights. Users love its sleek design and portability, but some have noted that the water tank fills quickly, requiring frequent emptying unless you use the continuous drainage option. So, is it the ultimate home dehumidifier? Stick around as we break down why it might be the perfect fit for you. After testing and comparing these top contenders, the best dehumidifier for drying clothes is the Midea 50-pint dehumidifier. Its built-in pump, Wi-Fi smart control, and ultra-quiet operation make it a powerful yet convenient choice for keeping your laundry fresh and moisture-free. Plus, its Energy Star certification ensures efficiency without high electricity costs. While the Waykar model is a close runner-up for larger spaces, Midea strikes the perfect balance of performance, features, and ease of use. Ready to upgrade your drying game? So guys, this was the video about the best dehumidifier for drying clothes. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.